Time na 2:44. Time to get some ghost shrimps. Just made a new pump for my brother, and first time we're gonna use it. Right, here's our first pump. Where's my new pump? Yeah, that one's good. Yeah. Yeah, first pump we got 3. Yeah, 3. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, we got 3 first pump. Okay, let's do the second pump. There. Second pump. No, too small. We got 7.
65.
Number 66. 66. 7. 7. 7. There.
68.
Ilan? 70. Yeah, so you hold that thing. Got pinch. 70. 30 more. Okay, we're back. We got 100 ghost shrimp. Then we're back here at the park. We're gonna go fishing now. Birds. That's good. Right. Yeah, surf birds. Not too big. Still not a keeper, so we're releasing, catch and release. Okay, we just crossed the river. Time na 2:44. Time to get some ghost shrimps. Just made a new pump for my brother, and first time we're gonna use it. Yeah, dog beach right there. We're just gonna walk a little bit, and we'll be there in a little bit. See you all there. Right, here's our first pump. Where's my new pump? Yeah, that one's good. Yeah. Yeah, first pump we got 3. Yeah, 3.
Maliit? Pwede yan?
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, we got 3 first pump. Okay, let's do the second pump. There.
Alright. 5. Ito.
Second pump. No, too small. We got 7. Second pump. Third whole pump. Oh, that's a lot.
9, 10, 11, 12.
But 5 ghost shrimp in the third pump. 13. Okay. Fourth pump. Alright, fourth pump. We got some.
14, 15.
We got only 2.
65.
There's it. Number 66. Number 66.
67.
7. 7. There.
Sorry. Baka mo ng 68. Oh,
Sila.
69.
70. Yeah, don't hold that thing.
70.
Got pinch. 70. 30 more. Hold that thing.
Pag malaki pa lang, sakit mga agad.
There.
71, 72,
Ganito.
73, 74, 75.
75 pieces.
$76, $77, $78.
Okay. Ako na. $80.
Dalawang po na lang.
$80. Ah, marami.
81, 82,
82 right now. But we need 82. Lalabo.
83,
83. Right.
liit. 87.
Okay, we got 87. It's a brand new pump. We got 87 right now.
$89.
90. Here, 10 more. We got 10 more. Oh, 9 more. Here, 9 more. Yeah, we got 91. Okay, we got 95. 5 more. 1. 5 more. 2. 3 more. 3 more. 2 more and we're done. Yeah, we just need 2 more right there. 2 more and that's it. Yeah, right there. 2 more and we're fishing probably at the jail. Wala, 2 more. there. Yeah, my brother first time pumping, so
Kailangan mo nga ng gloves.
yeah, need some gloves. We're getting pinched, no gloves. I forgot to bring the gloves. I saw one there. There. Oh, one more. So one more. You just need one. Oh, that's it. We got 100 now. Let's go. Here, hold it.
Dali lang pala eh. Mahirap
Yeah,
ang-
here. We just need to clean the pump. Yeah. We have to loosen the wing nut and take the plunger out. The suction. We got the suction like this. Right there. Just clean a piece of ghost shrimp. It's gonna sting. Loosen it. Make sure it's clean. So, right.
Rubber or styrofoam?
Slipper.
Oh, slipper.
Yes,
Rubber.
slipper. It's like styrofoam. Okay, we're done. We're going fishing. Yeah. Brand new pump, got 100 already. Okay, I got 2 pumps available. This for my brother, so I got 2 available if you need some. Okay, we're back. We got 100 ghost shrimp, and then we're back here at the parking. We're gonna go fishing now. We're here right now at the jetty. It's a little low tide, so gonna wait for the tide to go up. Ano? Yeah, ano? Slipper. Almost there, so there. Yeah.
Dali.
Yeah. So we're gonna set up over here. Gonna tie some and we're gonna go right to the end. So okay. Okay, we're just here. Almost at the end. Just gonna tie up over here.
Delikado naman nagsasurf.
Diyan lang isda.
Bawal mag-fishing sa pier.
Sarado pa?
Ang sarado na yan.
Yeah. Here. Tie up the 10 reel first. My brother's first catch is a shovel no shark. He just got one.
Dalawin kong langis.
The first catch. Okay na.
Ikaw may ano yan, may...
Hindi yan.
Walang tusok yan?
Wala. It's a shovel nose.
Wala ko may tusok yan.
Wala. Hindi ito. Catch and release. First catch, shovel nose. Kaya na.
Ako na maglalagay din.
Okay, low tide and it's my first catch. Hindi, dito ka rin, dito rin. Dito. Kasi ako, mas malayo ako. Leopard shark. Leopard.
Ito pinakamagat.
Nangangagat. Aka na. Ganito.
Ayun pala dito shark.
Yeah. May malak. That is leopard shark. Baby one. Leopard at the bottom. We're getting some mussels for bait. It's good bait too. And we can use a hand, no tools to get them, just by hand. These are good bait too. You gotta tie them with a kind of hard to get them, but that's the only way we can get them. The legal way to get them, just by hand. Fish. Oh, stingray. The stingray. Catch and release stingray. Shit, stingray again. Too many stingray over here. Stingray. Birds. That's birds. Right. Yeah, surf birds. Not too big. Still not a keeper, so we're releasing it, catch and release.